So we will see the reduced syllabus of 12th standard electrical maintenance subject. So first one is of paper 1, that is first chapter, symbols used in electrical units. So from first chapter they have reduced 3 points. You can see the textbook, refer the textbook. General symbols, they have reduced that, positive, negative, switches and fuses. So these 3 are removed. Switches and fuses symbols, they are removed. So just take note of that. Don't do that symbols and do other symbols. A, B and C part of that chapter is removed. Now second chapter is circuit diagram and panel wiring. So from that starters, that is 2 point, 3 point and 4 point starter and panel wiring diagram is removed. But same, these starters are covered in section 2. So this is there, but they will not ask you to just draw the diagram, right? So from third chapter, that is fuses, nothing is changed. Fuses chapter is important, fuse chapter, so there is no reduction from that chapter. Fourth chapter, conductor, gauge of conductor, insulator, except SWG and high resistance heating element material, all subunits are omitted. That means just only 2 units are there from this chapter, that is SWG. I will tell you. SWG, that is 4.3 and last high resistance heating material, that is 4.8. Except that everything is reduced. So while doing study of this chapter, just remember subunit 4.3 and 4.8. Just do only these 2 things. Now next chapter is types of wiring and wiring accessories, that is 5th chapter. All subunits are reduced, so no need to do this chapter. Next 6th chapter is wiring system. So from wiring system, just lead cover, that part is only removed, lead covered and CTS wiring. Just 1 minute, I'll tell you. From the wiring system, page number 36. Just refer your textbook. So you can take screenshot of that. So everything is there, just lead covered and CTS wiring system, that is deleted or reduced. Other everything is there. House wiring, go down wiring, from that chapter, that is chapter number 7. Calculation of energy bill. So we have done just 1 numerical was there in this chapter, that also they have reduced. So calculation of energy bill they have reduced, and looping out system. So looping out system, that is 7.2 subunit. Looping out is completely reduced. So just take note, 7.2 house wiring methods. Looping out, everything is cancelled. That is looping out from switch, ceiling rows and everything, that it is cancelled. Underground cables. From that underground cables, a cable jointing method. So you can see this is 8th chapter and subunit is 8.8, that is reduced. Faults in underground cables. So faults in underground cables 8.9 subunit. These 2 subunits are cancelled. From 9th chapter, subunit 9.3. 9.3 is reduced, that is a table of elimination, that is cancelled. And again from this chapter, 9.11 maintenance of lighting and installation, 9.11 and 9.3 subunits are cancelled. Now from last chapter, that is from paper 1, that is electrical appliances. Toaster, soldering iron, electric gas lighter, electric drill machine. So these are parts that are removed in this chapter. We have to know the construction and working of each, but this 1, 2, 3, 4, these are removed, these are reduced from your syllabus. Now paper 2, transformer. So we have covered instrument transformer. So just take note, current transformer, potential transformer, just don't do this. This is removed. All deficiency theory and their problems are removed, and voltage stabilizer point is removed. In single phase motor, repulsion type motor is reduced, right? There is no need to do repulsion type. Theory of rotating magnetic field and three-phase induction motor, skew type rotor and starting and running torque, this part is removed. You can check it. And from measuring instrument, calibration by potentiometer method, ampere hour meter, power factor meter, electrodynamometer, PF meter, MI type PF meter, that this portion is removed. So just take note, these are all removed syllabus. And from HV substation, except name of substation equipments, all subunits are omitted, right? And from miscellaneous, function of OLC and NVC, power stage in three-phase induction motor, setting of overload relay in motor starter. This point is removed. So this is about it. You can take screenshots if you want.